Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Caribou, local and long distance movers near me. Are you looking to relocate from cities outside Caribou or within to another home in Caribou? Then it would be best if you had experts who are familiar with the routes, the rules guiding the city, and with the residents in the city. For a company that has the best local movers with experience, knowledge of the city, and the best equipment for a local move, Caribou Local 3 Movers will significantly help you. Let our local movers help you with your local move. We have well-trained experts with years of experience moving belongings through Caribou. They can navigate through the city quickly to deliver your belongings on schedule. Do you want to relocate to another state from Caribou and need help to get to a company that will handle your move adequately? Long-distance moves are very complex compared to local ones. Do you still need to be bothered about the best professionals for the job? Well, we have the best solution for you. Caribou Long Distance 3 Movers is the best for your lengthy move. Our experts are well trained to deliver excellent services when called upon. Caribou Long Distance 3 Mover staff are dependable and have the best reviews in Caribou. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Caribou moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.